still not tell me where you wear for go mash up the party at the beach tomorrow, you know? But did one we go in a matching colors. What you say?
Oh, don't worry, dear. I'll buy you a beautiful bikini today.
So what you go wear? Why you look at just for me? And trying about to go attract some butter ears gal where I go run you down all over the place, you know? You hear me?
Oh no, baby. You know you are my one and only queen.
What about you, Stone? You come?
I don't think so.
Oh, this one. Forget her. Cause have a date with some hot babe. I will have two picnic them.
What you mean hot? She hotter than me?
How possible? Not at all. Charlie, boy, spy something. But Molly and Peter touch the blaze for here.
Baby, don't go. It not worth it.
Nah, Charlie, I want to see what them they do.
Charlie, smoke them, make we go.
Masa. Your ass. Can you please pass me the herb? The one people burn a little spliff.
Yo, Ras, check out that little youth here. Him a try turn man. Yo, this is not a cigarette lollipop we used to smoke in a youth. This name Purple Skunk. You ever hear about Purple Skunk yet, youth? Me don't think him ever try it in a Ras. Youth, is a real eye opener this, you know.
Yo, Brecci, just pass him the herb and make him take a last draw, you know? Me can't carry him go to him yard, see?
Nazir, you sure you can smoke all of this purple skunk?
Me no little boy, Bianca. Chillax. I bet this thing no be anything. When you manage the rate, I'm high grade, so.
Nazir, you alright?
Hey! What you manage to do for that? Yo, boy!
Yo, why you dey shout my name like that? I dey stand your body, you know they see.
Oh, sorry, I think so you dey far. See your niggas. Them they fly, oh.
What the boy you talk about?